So class, today topic is that we will see a project in that by using the binary files, we will create a diary programs. In the diary programs, what things we will do? First, we have to decide how we will store the data with the help of list, with the help of dictionary. If we are going throughout the list, then we have to fully focused on the index, because list only by indexing we can know on which place which values are stored. For example, look here. In the diary, we need to we need to store, one is the ID, then we'll store the name, and then we'll store the contact, and then we will store the email ID of the student. This four values we have to store in the list. So how we will store what the sequences are there? We will store in the form of ID, then name, then we have a so we have a ID name, and then we have a contact, and then we have a email. Either with the help of binary files, I may store in this format. Either I may store in the form of dictionary. There is a ID is a key name and value is the ID. Then comma, we have a name as a key and we have a name as a value. Then we have a contact as a key and we have a contact number as a value. Then we have an email as a key, and then email we have a value. In this format, I will store. So if we are going to see how we will establish the code that may work like a diary. So first of all, I will go to share the screen. The screen is shared, then I can open the idle here. Idle open. First step, I will create one folder here. LFS 12 diary project using binary. Then I may open this file, new file, and first I will save it. Where I have to save? I have to save into the desktop. LFS 12 diary project. Open, and here I will write source diary using binary. .py is by default, it may take, so no need to write. And then here, first of all, I have to import the module by which we will work. So import pickle. Then after, I have to define the functions, define, create record. In that, we have to define one by one, sorry. We have to define one by one ID. So I will write here int input, and I will write here please enter the ID. Yep. Then we will write here name input. I will write please enter the name of persons. Then we have a contact number that also we will write in the form of only string, because sometimes we have a 10-12 digit and it may be cross the limit of integer range. So it may show the error. So better that I am stored in the form of string only. And then email also. We all know that email having the special character also. So anyhow, it has to be in a string format. So please enter the email ID of the person also. Now, after taking all the input, we have to define 2 points. Either I will do by using the list storing, or either I will do by using the dictionary method, dictionary way to store. If we are going by the list, how we will do? We will write data is equal to, in this format, ID, comma, name, comma, contact, comma, email. Now you are in a 12th class, so you know very well we can't do mistake in a capital and a small, because we all know that. Here ID is showing into the purple color. That means ID is also used by the compiler. So better that I may use here PID, person ID, P name, P contact. So we can easily identify if P name is denoting for the persons. So it is a person records. This is a short terms to work in the programming. We have to store P for the person, STD for the student. If we want to go by using the dictionary, so we have to write like that. ID is equal to PID, comma, name is equal to P name. Sorry. And we have to store contact. For that, P contact. And we have to write here email. And we have to use here P email. So any one method I have to use. Either I will go by the list, either I will go by the dictionary. So I think the dictionary is the more easiest way for the checking, and dictionary, that means we dictionary, and for the list we have to remember the index. The 0 index for the ID, 1 index is a name, 2 index for the contact, and 3rd index is for the email. In the case after storing the records, we have to think for the later development also. If we are going to search, we want to search by the name. If the data is stored with the help of list, then we will always search the second index, because second index always containing the name. And if we are going by using the dictionary, that means we have to remember key name only, not to the index. By the key name we can search. So today we will see by using the dictionary how we will write. So if we are going by the dictionary, this syntax I will delete. Now here what we have to do, we have to work with the with function with open. What is the file name? Diary.dat. We have to append into the binary file as a file object. And then here we have to use the colon. Is it clear? Then after we will write here pickle.dump in that data into the file. And then we will give the message print your data successfully added. Print, press enter key to continue. So now look here, we will write definitions, display data. What we have to do here, display data. In the display data, first of all, we have to form one proper format. So we write here data is equal to, clear? Data is equal to, Okay, that one I will teach later because first you look here. For the reading, we have to do also with open. With open, we have a one facilities. As we will come out of indent of with open, the file link will automatically closed. We do not need to close forcefully. The compiler will automatically closed. Now the work on the file is finished and user went out. That means the linking automatically has to be closed. So that's why we are using the with open. In the with open, we will have to write with keyword, then open, then the file name. What is the file name? Diary.dat, and we have to open into the read binary file, and we will write here as a file. And then we have to, we don't know how many records are inside the files, so we will run here. We will use the try block. Try. Inside the try, we will run infinite loop while true. While true we have done here, and then we have to write here data is equal to pickle dot load, and in that I will pass here file, and then not in that indent, and then I will write here print data. If any error caused, then what we have to go? We have to go into the exception mode and we have to break the loop. Now this is a what concepts. So first I will create record one, and then I will one more record I will create, and then I will display record, and then I will implement into the file handling. So my dear students, so we are going to see how the outputs will come. We will share the screen. Look here. I have run this coding by pressing F5 outside the loop, no problem, but it is inside the exception block. Okay. Understand. Wait. We have to use the try exception block inside the while loop. Yeah, we can use. So we will write here try. Here. Okay, and then inside the exception, if any exceptions came, first you break the loop, then you come. Enter the ID. I have entered 101. Name I have written Ayush. If a spelling mistake, don't be angry. Contact number we have a 420. Email ID ayush.singham@gmail.com. Okay. Record successfully added. Press enter. I have pressed enter. Now again it is asking 102. We have a Prachi Singham. Okay, contact number. This is a contact number. Email ID singham.prachi@gmail.com. Oh, we got error. What is the error? Line number 28, display record. Can you show more? Is not defined. Display record not defined. What is the function name? Oh, sorry, display data it is. Sorry. We have to write here display data. Now already we have entered the 2 record. So if we will again run, how many records in the file we have? They are the totally 4 records it will be. So once again I will run, and with me our math teachers came. So wait a minute, now run. ID is 10123. Name is Harshnath Shukla. Contact number is this. 15 minutes. पंद्रह सॉफ्टवेयर 145 नवीन नाम डाल देते हैं हम भाई विकास श्रीवास्तव। कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर तो आप नहीं, हम सबको कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर नहीं दे सकते, ईमेल आईडी भी सबको सही नहीं दे सकते, तो उसके आगे कुछ नहीं। Look here. First, we have entered about the IOSync. So IOSync record came. Then we have entered the Prachi. Then Prachi, Asna Sukla, and Vikas Srivastava. Clear? Now, this is a way of displaying. If you will see here, we have display like that. ID is this, name is equal to this, contact is this, email ID is this. If we want, it will be arranged into the some orders. So what we have to do? Who will tell me? No one will tell me. So you should have to find out the way to display the data in a proper format. Otherwise, we can use here. We can also use for I in the data, and we will write here print ID. First, we will display here new record. थोड़ा सा लाइन चेंज कर लेते हैं. Yes. Clear? Then we'll write here print ID is equal to, I think, I of ID. Invalid syntax. Why it is invalid? Something is missing there. Yeah. New record. No record came. तो डेटा है ये फाइल. Look here. ID is this. IOSync contact number this. AY.Singham. Look here this. It's a new record. New record. Clear? Class understand? Look here. Yes.